Listen to instruction talaga.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
Devil's Tower, here I
The
come.
roads that lay
Walk
open
towards
are
mommy.
many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
Hi guys!
Hi! Welcome to the USA! Keystone, Black Hills Forest. Tutorial pa more, madam.
Gloria, gloria la bandera. Gloria, gloria la bandera. Gloria, gloria la bandera. Ang sabon niya ay perla.
For the land and the
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memory washed in heavy shade.
Thank you.
It's in your lower passenger windshield.
Okay, thanks. Lower passenger windshield.
I have a map for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're right here, and the visitor center is 2 miles up on the right.
Okay.
Good place to stop.
All right, thanks. Is it on the way to the Needles Highway as well?
Yeah, so this road just road out here. There's a lot of good signs in the park.
Okay, thank you. Ano, saan tayo?
Visitation Center tapos Panidors Highway.
Sige. Papuntang Needles. Tsaka tayo magsisilvan.
Sylvan.
Sige. Di pa tayo kumain. Di ba may kainan doon sa Sylvan? Doon na lang tayo kumain. Noong oras na, oh. Alas 12 na. You go ahead. You read the map. Goals. Nasaan ka? Saan ka umiihi? Saan na nagpunta yun? Ay, kalsada pala yun. Sabi ko, pumantin dyan siya sa bushes na lang. Oo. Oh. Kumusta?
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you.
Mga
No one
kababayan!
else makes me feel this way.
Hip,
Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave your side.
I'm cold. Me, kabi mo man dyan bag ni ko ni. Can you give doon sa extra? Doon no? Ijay ko ka ni bebe, you call your daughter. Nangala inalalat ako ma drone. Ay drone jay tripod tayo patadar tayo kung makapicture tayo amin.
I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey,
Oh, there's a look. What is that? That's what?
It's a goose.
It's a pato. Tita, it's a pato.
should've told you straight
Flower.
but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed.
Ayan.
We're taking a walk, guys, which is surprising.
That I won't let you go.
Holding hands. Hawak kamay.
Sa ngalan ng ano, sa ngalan ng pagpipicture. Sige, if you fall.
That's Mama's fault.
Required daw yun sa grandma when you sign up being a grandma.
What?
You have to take the laway and the poop.
Uy, ang ganda ng lighting dyan, sister ah. Let's go to the other side. Gosh. Para man tayong galing bukid. Butter pinky yan. Hello, sir.
Food, relax, you big back. Oh.
Okay, let's go. You, bugawin mo sila ah.
Bye-bye.
Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight.
This is the Hunter Street, sister.
This is how it looks when we're lost. You know what? The title of the vlog should be Lost in New York.
It should be.
Running from all things at once.
Ooh, that hurts. I heard it. Your book clap.
And that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here.